Hi, I'm Craig Shield. I work for the Pennsylvania Office of Vocational Rehabilitation, otherwise known as OVR, which is under the Department of Labor and Industry and also a partner with CareerLink. In this video, you're going to learn about OVR, what OVR has to offer you, plus you'll meet some people that OVR has already helped. What is OVR? The federal government has a program which provides federal funding for people with disabilities. For example, people who are deaf, people who are hard of hearing, those who are deaf-blind, and people who are late deafened. The list goes on and on. Any of these people may need vocational counseling or job placement. Who can OVR help? Those who are deaf, whether they use sign language or not. Those with hearing loss. Those who are deaf and blind. The hard of hearing. People with low vision. And those who are late deafened. And anyone with any disability.
Hi, I'm Laura, and I work at Walgreens, and I really love my job. I've become more independent and not so dependent on other people. OVR helped me get this job. OVR provided a job coach to help me learn all the different parts of the job here. Thank you, OVR, for helping me succeed and come so far.
At OVR, our mission is to help people with disabilities find and keep a job and to continue to be independent. You must first meet with your counselor to determine if you can receive services or not.
Everything we've talked about in this room is private. If we must give someone information about your case, we will always ask for your permission first. Our meetings are private. We don't tell anyone. It's just between us. It's good to know that my information won't be shared and that it's just between us. I like that. Thank you very much.
You may be eligible for services. Services like hearing tests, medical evaluations, work evaluations, career and vocational counseling, personal adjustment to blindness training, known as PABT, or equipment like hearing aids, TTYs, assistive listening devices, low vision aids, assistive or adaptive technology, vocational training, interpreters, job coaching, job placement, financial aid for college or training after high school, the Center for Assistive Rehabilitation Training, otherwise known as CART, the Commonwealth Technical Institute at the Hiram G. Andrews Center, which is in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. All of this information can be found online on our website. How can your OVR counselor or social worker help you? They can offer advice about jobs. They can help you make a decision what kind of jobs are right for you. They can decide if you need a training program for your job. You can discuss different services related to your job to continue living independently. They can provide support for job retention and advice on different programs. You're probably wondering who pays for OVR services. Well, it depends. For example, vocational guidance is free. Job placement services are free. However, there are some services you may have to pay for. But please, discuss this with your counselor. The two of you can sit down and your counselor will ask you questions. For example, your income and perhaps your family's income. Important things for you to consider. First, OVR can help you make a plan for yourself. It is a government agency and must follow regulations from the federal government. They can help you find a job. They can provide independent living services. These services do not come quickly and you will have to be patient. Your counselor has to work with many customers and will be in touch with you. OVR is not going to give you a job. They can help you find a job. What is the Individual Plan for Employment, or IPE? Before writing a plan, your counselor will sit with you to talk about your interests, your strengths, your skills, and then you'll develop a plan for future employment. What is your responsibility? You must tell OVR what is the best way to communicate with you. Together with your counselor, you'll develop a plan for employment or for independent living. Please show up for all your appointments. Please question your counselor or social worker if you don't understand something. Please be honest with your counselor or social worker about your feelings. Please take a responsible role and work with your counselor to develop a plan. Please stay in touch with your OVR counselor or social worker and let them know how you're doing. Hello, my name is Brian Buss and I work for OSER. OVR took the time to review my resume and find a job that matched. When I was ready for training, they put me on a job trial and I was able to get the job successfully. Yes, I like my job. You might be wondering when OVR services stop. First, if you found a job and you've been working there more than 90 days and there's no more need for services, then your case would be closed. Secondly, if there are no services that you can utilize through OVR, then your case would be closed. And third, if we've repeatedly tried to contact you and have not been successful, then your case would be closed. You're probably wondering if you can reapply for OVR services. The answer is yes, you can reapply as many times as you want, anytime you need. But it's important for you to get in touch with your OVR counselor, and they will be in touch with you.
Hi, my name is Brenda. I always wanted to be a nail technician. OVR sent me for training, and they also sent me for a hearing test and provided new hearing aids so I can better serve my customers as a nail technician. I love doing nails because it's a form of art and it's beautiful. If you really need a job or training, go to OVR, they'll help you. Thank you, OVR.
You're probably wondering, how do I apply for OVR services? You can apply online. You can go to the district office and apply in person. If the counselor is not there, then you can give the information, your name, at the front desk, and a counselor will be in touch with you. Or you can call the office. OVR has a non-discrimination policy. An applicant or customer cannot be discriminated against for their religion, age, their race, their color, their sex, their national origin, their background, or their disability. If you feel that you've been discriminated against, please contact OVR Central Office. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you learn a lot about OVR. If you have more questions, please get in touch with OVR and they'll be happy to assist you. Thank you again. Have a nice day. So long.